Hello students, in last class we discussed about the magnetic field intensity due to a straight current carrying conductor, and we find out the formula B equals to mu naught I divided by 2 pi r, and also discuss the direction for the magnetic field by using right hand thumb rule. In this class we will discuss magnetic field intensity due to a current carrying circular loop, and we will also discuss the formula for that. So we will discuss the magnetic field intensity. This is magnetic field intensity due to current carrying circular loop, Fine. So let us start that. For circular loop, we can say that the magnetic field intensity is more than the magnetic field intensity due to a straight current carrying conductor. उसके कंपैरिजन में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड हम ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस करा सकते हैं. कैसे, उसको फॉर्मूले को भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. अगर आप बात करते हैं तो किसी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी की बात करें तो किसी करंट कैरिंग लूप के लिए अगर फॉर्म करते हैं तो सपोज दिस इज द करंट कैरिंग लूप, and in that current is flowing in this way, means current entering in this way, so current is anti-clockwise. If this loop is in this way and current is anti-clockwise like that, so the magnetic field intensity or direction of the magnetic field will be like that. It means if you mention the magnetic field lines, it means magnetic field lines will be travel in this way, means they will enter in this way and exit from that point. So this is the magnetic field lines. We can denote the magnetic field lines for a current carrying loop in this way. फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. तो आपने देखा करंट कैसा है, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में करंट को आपने यूज किया, तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में करंट को आप ऐसे शो कर सकते हैं. हम इसको यूज करें तो अगर ये सर्कुलर लूप है तो आपने राइट हैंड यूज किया, राइट हैंड की फिंगर्स विल रिप्रेजेंट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एंड थंब इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द डायरेक्शन ऑफ magnetic field. So you can represent that. So you have to draw the diagram for that, for the magnetic field intensity due to the current carrying circular loop. And we can also show the magnetic field direction of magnetic field, which we have already discussed, that if we have a current carrying loop in this way and the direction of electric current is supposed in this way, means it is clockwise. If it is clockwise, then we can use the right hand rule. In case of loop, we show the direction of electric current by fingers, then thumb represent the direction of magnetic field. It just reverse as a right hand thumb rule, but we use the right hand and we represent the current by the fingers and thumb represent the direction of magnetic field. So if you show that electric current is clockwise in this way, so fingers will represent the direction of electric current, then this finger will be inward. This finger inward means magnetic field is inverse, and you can show it by the cross, means cross is showing that magnetic field is inverse. So in this case means for the current carrying conductor, so magnetic field intensity is inward. If electric current is reversed, means for this conducting for this loop, now the current is anti-clockwise. So if you draw that, then the magnetic field is outward. It means it shows the magnetic field outward. This dot representing that magnetic field is outwards. We can show in this way. So first of all, you have to draw the first diagram, which is showing the magnetic field lines for the current carrying circular loop, and this is the direction of magnetic field. On changing the direction of electric current, you can say that the direction of magnetic field also reverse, and you can also show that we know that the magnetic field lines enter from the south pole and exit from the north pole. नॉर्थ पोल से बाहर निकलती हैं और साउथ पोल से क्या करती हैं, एंटर करती हैं. तो ये जो करंट कैरिंग लूप है, आपने कहा इसमें मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, इनवर्ड शो किया या आउटवर्ड शो किया, डिपेंड ऑन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. तो उसके बिहाफ पे आप कह सकते हैं कि यहाँ जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड होगा वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कैसा होगा. अगर यहाँ के मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की बात करें तो दैट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, if the current is clockwise, this current is clockwise in direction, so the magnetic field is inwards. Inward magnetic field means magnetic field lines are entering from that point, means from this side, so that pole will be a south pole. So you can show that this is the south. If you write the as there, so that arrows will be matched. Okay, ये arrow match करेंगे. And if the current is in this way, current is flowing in clockwise direction, तो ये हो गया. ये anti clockwise direction की बात करें. Now anti clockwise direction, it means magnetic field is outward, means the field lines will comes out from that, so that pole will behave as north pole. आपको पता है ना, मैग्नेट के कौन से पोल से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस बाहर आती हैं, नॉर्थ पोल से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस बाहर आएंगी एंड एंटर फ्रॉम द साउथ पोल. तो साउथ से एंटर करेंगी तो हम इसके बिहाफ पर इसको शो कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइंस. तो फर्स्ट डायग्राम आप बनाएंगे, दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. सेकंड आपने इन दोनों को इसके जस्ट नीचे आप फॉर्म कर दें, और थर्ड आप इसको क्या दिखाएंगे, इन तीनों को दिखा देंगे. ये दिखा देंगे कि साउथ पोल की तरफ बिहेव करेगा या नॉर्थ पोल की तरफ बिहेव करेगा. ये हमारा इसको शो करने का मेथड हो गया. अब आप जैसे हम लोगों ने स्ट्रेट करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर के लिए फॉर्मूला शो किया था कि B इक्वल्स टू म्यू नॉट I डिवाइडेड बाई 2 pi r there. For magnetic field due to current carrying circular coil, the formula for the magnetic field intensity, that is B equals to at the center. कहाँ फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, एट सेंटर ऑफ कॉइल, एट सेंटर ऑफ कॉइल और लूप, सेम थिंग, कॉइल और लूप. अगर आप इसके सेंटर पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का फॉर्मूला शो करेंगे तो दैट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इज B इक्वल्स टू म्यू नॉट Ni divided by 2r. This is the formula for the magnetic field intensity at the center of current carrying loop. कुछ नोटेशंस से आप पहले से जानते ही हैं, फिर भी हम यहाँ मेंशन करें. देखो, मैंने आपसे एक चीज कहा था कि स्ट्रेट करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर से ज्यादा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं इन केस ऑफ दैट सर्कुलर कॉइल. इट इज ड्यू टू दैट, अगर स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर की बात करें तो वी कैन नॉट इंक्रीज द टर्न्स, यानी वहां टर्न्स थोड़ी ना होगा, तो स्ट्रेट जा रहा है, इनफाइनाइट तक जा रहा है, स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर है. लेकिन अगर किसी कॉइल की बात करें तो ये जो कॉइल आपने यूज किया, दिस इज द वन कॉइल एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो कवर अप दैट, लाइक मीन्स नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स अगर आप इंक्रीज करेंगे तो जो फील्ड लाइन से उनसे जो फील्ड लाइंस पास आउट होगा वो उतना ही ज्यादा टाइम्स होगा. तो फील्ड लाइंस के नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स जो पास आउट हो रहा है, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स इंक्रीज करने से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस. सो यहाँ n जो वर्ड हमने यूज किया है, दिस n स्टैंडिंग फॉर द नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स इन द कॉइल. तो n टर्न्स को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए आपने यहाँ पर यूज किया है. सो वी कैन यूज दैट. दिस इज B इज स्टैंडिंग फॉर द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी, magnetic field intensity, and magnetic field intensity we are finding at the, we are mentioned here for the center of the coil. So B is magnetic field intensity, and here N is number of turns, means how many turns are in the coil, so it is representing the number of turns. And mu naught is, this is for magnetic permeability, this is for magnetic permeability. I standing for electric current, this I is standing for electric current, and this R is standing for radius of the loop. This is radius of coil or loop, whatever you mention here. Fine. So B, magnetic field intensity, mu naught, magnetic permeability, as that term comes in that formula also, and number of turns, means we can increase the number of turns, and if you increase the number of turns, then magnetic field will be increases, because B is directly proportional to number of turns. And previously we have already discussed in the Oersted experiment and whatever, that B relation between magnetic field intensity and electric current, they are directly proportional to each other. Means B के फॉर्मूले में जब भी I की बात करेंगे तो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल में होगा. आप देख सकते हैं, इफ यू इंक्रीज द वैल्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट देन द value of magnetic field also increases. And also for the distance, if you increase the distance, then magnetic field decreases. In this case, current is flowing in the circumference of this coil, and we are finding the magnetic field at the center. So if you increase that distance, means the distance between circumference and center, if you increase, it means you are increasing the radius. So if you increase the radius, then magnetic field intensity will decreases. So it is inversely proportional for that. So B is mu naught Ni divided by 2R here. There is no pi in that case. In that case of street conductor, the formula was mu naught I divided by 2 pi R. Don't use the capital N there, because we cannot form the loops there. Okay, and do not put the pi here, because in this formula there is no pi. So it is 2R only. So mu naught Ni divided by 2R, and these are the meanings of the physical quantity used in this formula. And on the behalf of this, you can solve this to find out the value of magnetic field intensity, and we can find out the direction of magnetic field intensity by using the right hand thumb rule. But in that case, finger represent the direction of electric current and thumb will represent the direction of magnetic field, as we have already shown in the loops diagrams there. Fine. So we can solve a numerical problem here. So write down a numerical problem which is based on this formula. So write down a numerical problem which is based on this formula. Yes. A current carrying coil of radius 2 centimeter, a current carrying coil of radius 2 centimeter having 100 number of turns, carrying electric current 2 ampere, carrying electric current 2 ampere. Find out the magnetic field intensity. Find out the magnetic field intensity at the center of this coil. Find out the magnetic field intensity at the center of this coil. Okay. Current carrying coil of radius 2 centimeter, number of turns are 100, carrying electric current 2 ampere, and we have to find out the magnetic field intensity at the center of this loop. So R is 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter we have to convert into meter. So it will be 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. 1 centimeter equals to 10 power minus 2 meter, or 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. And you know the value of mu naught, that is fixed for all, that is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. So you can also mention that for mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. It will not given in the equation. You have to learn that value. So you can solve that. The magnetic field intensity at the center of this coil will be mu naught Ni divided by 2R. If you put the value, mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. Number of turns are 100. Electric current is 2 ampere divided by 2. the value of R is 2 into 10 power minus 2. That is the value of B. That's the value of B. B का वैल्यू आपने यहाँ पर मेंशन किया. अब इसको सॉल्व करें और सॉल्व करके आप इसकी वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करेंगे. कैसे हम वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करेंगे जरा देखते हैं. आप देखें तो दिस 2 is cancelled with 2, 2, 2, 4 cancelled, and this is 10 power minus 7. This is positive 10 power 2. So simply you can write it is 2 into pi into 10 power minus 7 into, this is 10 power plus 2 and this is 10 power minus 2. So 10 power minus 2 and 10 power plus 2, it becomes 10 power plus 4. 10 power plus 4. So you can write that 2 value of pi is 3.14 into 10 power minus 3, and if you multiply that, that will be 6.28 into 10 power minus 3 Tesla. This is the magnitude of magnetic field intensity at the center of this coil. In this question, no direction of electric current was mentioned. If they mention that electric current is flowing in clockwise direction, then we can say that if current is in clockwise direction, then magnetic field is inward. So at last we can add that B 6.28 into 10 power minus 3 Tesla inwards. Fine. And if current is in anti-clockwise direction, then we can say that anti-clock में तो कैसा हुआ, आपका current ऐसे flow हुआ, then it is outward direction. So magnetic field will be outward. So that's the topic, magnetic field intensity due to a current carrying circular loop, and we can find out this with a numerical problem. So कोई भी वैल्यू आपको प्रोवाइड किया जाए, इस फॉर्मूले को आपको यूज करना है. इस फॉर्मूले में अगर आपसे करंट को डिस्कस करें, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड गिवन हो, देन यू कैन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई दैट एंड यू कैन गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट बाय यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला. सो आई होप यू कैन डू दैट. सो वॉच दिस वीडियो, लाइक एंड कमेंट. थैंक यू.